How to log in into Intel Employee Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Intel Employee Login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, intel.com. You will be directed to the official website. Now at the top, you're gonna see this icon. Click on it. With that, you'll land to the login page. Now click on this option of Employee Sign In. With that, you will be directed to the Employee Login page. From here, you can easily get access to your account. Provide the credentials of your account, type in your email address. After you type in, click on Next, and in the next page, you will need to type in your password and then click on Done. Just with that, you will be logged into your account. If you're having any issues logging into your account, click on this option. With that, your problem will be resolved. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily log into Intel Employee Portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.